Good evening, dear student. Till now, you have studied about trigonometric ratios of some specific angles or standard angles. So these angles, how to keep it in mind by using some tricks. So today's this class is reserved for that intention only. So these angles and these ratios, keep it in mind. So dear student, to keep that trigonometric ratios, some values like 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. So this table will help you to find answers. So here you write 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. All their specific angles or standard angles. So here you can write the sine theta. This is sine 0. It is cos 0. It is tan 0. It is cot ratio. It is a secant ratio. It is a cosecant ratio. Now, if you know first line, first row writing with respect to sine. So sine 0 is 0, we know dear student. So sine 30 is 1 by 2, we know dear student is also. Sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. And sine 90 degree is 1. So these one row, if we keep it in mind, other all row you can very easily write. For cos you can write from the reverse. So this one you write, and this root 3 by 2 you write here, dear student. And anyhow 1 by root 2, if you write from this side, will come here only 1 by root 2, and next will be 1 by 2, and next will be 0. So this is what cos. Cos 0 degree is 1, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree is 1 by 2, and cos 90 degree is 1. Okay, writing tan what means? So tan theta means we know, dear student, sin theta divided by cos theta is tan theta. That's why you can write 0 divided by 1 is 0 only. And here 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 means, see, look at here, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 with respect to tan 30 degree. So this 2 we can cancel. We can get 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is the value of, so tan 30 degree. So again tan 45 degree means is 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 you will get 1. Again tan 60 degree means, so this angle divided by this angle. Anyhow, if you divide this one by this 2 will get cancels. You can get root 3 by 1, that is root 3 only. And here, so tan 90 degrees 1 by 0 is not defined. You can write nd like that. Again cot. So cot you can write from the reverse of this, or you can write in one more way, that is reciprocal of this angle. Better you write like this from this side, nd not defined. And next root 3 you write here, and the next one will be here only, from this side one will come here only. Next 1 by root 3, next 0 will come here. Okay, next is secant. So secant and cos are reciprocal to each other. So this and this are reciprocal to each other. So cos 1 means 1's reciprocal is 1 only, 1 divided by 1 is 1 only. So secant's reciprocal, this is 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3. It is root 2 by 1 means root 2. It is 2 by 1 means 2. It is 0, that is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is, it is not defined. 0's reciprocal is 1 by 0, that is not defined. Again cosecant theta we can write in two ways. Either you take in reciprocal of these angles, or you start with this nd, or from this side you write 2, again root 2. So next here 2 by root 3 will come, and this one will come. So this table will help you to write, so to know the values, these values. So I think it will help you after understanding. So try to keep this table in your mind in examination. Very easy, rather than finding sine 0 degrees what, sine 30 degrees what, like that. Before, without doing, this table will help you to find even multiple choice question also. If you know this much, you can answer for long question answer also.